Welcome everyone. It's John here. I am standing in beautiful Corbin, Kentucky on a crisp, cool morning. What brought me here today? I'm on my way to Louisville, but wanted to stop by and check this place out. It's an abandoned truck stop, garage where they used to work on trucks, semi-trucks, stuff like this, right off Interstate 75. It's been abandoned for about 8 or 10 years now, so we're going to walk around, check it out, and see what's left here. So, join us. As you can see here, starting to fall apart a little bit. Let's walk inside and check it out. Seems to always be that creepy chair sitting in the middle of the floor. Bunch of boxes piled up here. Got the oil pit over here. This is where the oil monkey would hang out and change the oil in the cars and trucks. And looks like we still got some oil left over in this pan. If there's any oil left in these tanks, cannot tell. Gross. Don't think I'm going to chance that. Looks like the wires have been cut anyways. Let's walk over here and check the office area out. Got some rooms up top. Looks like somebody's been trying to steal some stuff out of the electrical panel. Get these crackhead thieves in here trying to steal stuff all the time. Employees only in shop area. Whoops. What's been going on here, I wonder? Let's not touch that. Somebody been resting their head in here at night. That's cool. Somebody left a souvenir from the Smoky Mountains. I think I actually have that book at home. Where's the service bell at? Ding ding. There's a commode, but it has remains in it. We're not going to get a close-up look at that. I don't want you to lose your lunch today. Let's see what's behind door number 1 here. All right. See what we got in here. Snap on. Nope, that would have been a big torque wrench, it looks like. Some old screw box trays and stuff. Hello. Always worry about running up on a homeless person using this as a residence or something. And let's see how sturdy these stairs are. Safety first. What's a fire extinguisher sitting around? Okay, up here in the loft area, Not a whole lot going on here. These boards are kind of weak, so I'm going to take my time. Nice little overview of the garage. Looks like an old printer. Some old shelving and stuff laying up here, not a whole lot. Pepsi. There's always a good hole on the floor. Not a whole lot in this room. Some storage shelves and stuff. That's about it. Well, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm kind of bummed out because there was a lot more to this place. The last time I was here, had a restaurant, gas pumps, even apartment building, but it has since been tore down. But needless to say, the garage is pretty cool in its own light. We got to check it out, and I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, comment, leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, God bless and have a wonderful day.